In my presentations, I extensively use the icons, and many people ask me where to get these icons from. So generally I used to tell, okay, you can go to insert and use these icons. But the problem is not everyone is having the latest version of PowerPoint. So this particular feature does not exist at all in the older versions of PowerPoint. So the question is where to get the icons from. So here is the answer. I'm providing absolutely free more than 500 plus icons. Yes, you heard it right. It is absolutely free. And you can see here you have got a variety of icons. You can see here 3 full slides of icons, and it is more than sufficient for any of your presentations. For example, you can see here I've got the heart shape, the gears, the stars, the house, the employees, the power button. So many things are there, and the good thing is it is editable, and this can be changed to any color. Whenever you download anything from the net, only one color it will be there, either white or black, and it is very difficult to change the color. But here it is absolutely easy to change any color of your choice. For example, I'm just going to select the heart and I want to change it to the red color. Let me just go to format, shape fill. I can just give a red color. It's so easy. And here the power button, I want to give this a green color. I can just come and give a green color. And you can see here I have got the social media icons as well: Twitter, Facebook, the like, dislike buttons. All things are available which you can use absolutely free in your presentations and make a wow factor to your slides. That's it from me, friends. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe PowerPoint University. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.